We're on the verge of exploring the beauty of that solo that you're all probably looking forward to in the slow movements of Dvořák's Ninth Symphony, and it's played by Sarah Jane on the cor anglais. Now I'm about to speak with her about that, but first let's just appreciate the chords that open the movement, because they're all part of setting up that beauty. These chords hover between a sharp key, so something that's glowing and bright, and then a flat key, so the shade. Back into the light, and then another flat key, sharp key again, before we end up in the wonderfully homely key of D flat major. It really is a warm key, and the violins seem to like that key and just nod in agreement, as if they found home. And then in comes the cor anglais. Sarah Jane, frankly, I feel hugged by your sound. What a warm sound.
It's sort of hot chocolate, isn't it?
It's hot chocolate.
It's definitely hot chocolate.
So if that's hot chocolate, what is the nephew, the oboe here, do you think?
For me, probably more like a cup of green tea.
I agree with you. And we can see why Dvořák chose hot chocolate for this particularly homely solo. What's it like to play?
It's a lovely solo to play. I think Dvořák had in mind one of his friends who was a tenor when he wrote this tune, so that pitch lies perfectly with the cor anglais.
It definitely feels very sung, doesn't it? And are you thinking of any particular vocal technique as you play?
As woodwind players all try to be as vocal as possible. It's not just a case of blowing from A to B, but actually making vowel sounds in the face cavities as well.
Which vowel sound are you thinking about?
I would definitely use an or, very long, round or sound as I'm producing that air.
Well, I'm really looking forward to continuing this conversation with Sarah Jane at our pre-concert events. We're going on tour and we'll be in conversation before each concert at 6:30 p.m. So join us if you're in North Wales in November.